Stuck on the computer restarted unexpectedly error on your Lenovo laptop? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix it on Windows 11 or 10. When you see the error message on your screen, press Shift and F10 together on your keyboard. If that doesn't work, press Shift plus Fn plus F10 together. Now the command prompt will open. Type regedit and press Enter. In the registry editor, expand HKEY_local_machine. Now expand System. Next, expand Setup. Then expand Status. Click on Child Completion. On the right side, double-click on setup.exe. Change the value data from 1 to 3. Click OK to save the changes. Final step, restart automatically. Now close the registry editor. Go back to the error message and click OK. After this, your laptop will restart automatically, and the problem should be fixed. That's it. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.